right, so starting us off today for the Cayman Islands, we have John Gray Blazers in lane one and Brack Racers in lane two. Hey, Ivana,
Yeah,
where are these teams from?
yeah. John Gray Blazers is coming from John Gray High School in the Cayman Islands, and Brack Racers is coming from Layman Scott High School.
That's awesome, and they just have some good times there. Lane one, a 2.146, and Brack Racers in lane two, much quicker with a 1.424. Let's reset here for round two.
John Gray Blazers had a great experience so far in this challenge, and their most memorable so far has been doing a team brainstorming of the concept of the car. They are a team of entrepreneurs, and they're so excited to be part of this competition for the first time.
Hey, that's fantastic. And that brainstorming with the car, they've just got a 2.646, and then Brack Racers in lane two has a 1.406. I mean, and both these teams of Anna's are brand new. All of Cayman Islands this year is brand new to the STEM racing competition. So these are great times for first cars and first attempts down the track.
Absolutely. And I think the Brack Racers have a really good quote that they're not only building a race car, but they're building a team, right? It's those how everything comes together, not just lap times and not just anything that has to do just about the race itself, but how it all is all inclusive and creating this team and helping them move forward and advancing.
Oh, that's amazing. And it's so nice to hear the lessons the students get from STEM racing and the skills they're learning and everything. Let's look at our next team. So we have CIS in lane one. And
Yes, CIS Racing is coming from Cayman International School.
awesome, very fitting with the CIS name there. And for their round one time, we have a 1.402. And as a reminder, there are 5 teams competing from the Cayman Islands. However, only 3 teams submitted cars, so that's just going to be who are racing today. So CIS is nobody else in their other lane. They're here now for round two.
Most memorable moment of this challenge has been designing and manufacturing their car, and they were so excited to see it go down the track today.
Well, that's fantastic. I mean, we're excited to see it too. It just pulled off a 1.467, a great time. And now, Ivana, I'd love to meet these teams and learn more about them. We're a different side of the pond here, but let's see their video challenges.
Hey, watch out, pal.
Oh, boys!
We are John Gray Blazers!
Anything but doing schoolwork, bro. Anything but schoolwork. You actually have to raise the standard, bro.
Our team Brack Racers from Layman E Senior High School. Our team consists of myself, team manager Aaron Ramsamy, test manager Amanda Moore, manufacturer Rasa Sabitad, design engineers Mason Falcon and Jay Thompson, CAD engineer Caden Stewart, and manufacturer Rasta Sabitad. Our initial design came from a prominent animal in the Cayman Islands, a stingray. Our second design came from the hurricane. Since more than a quarter of a year we are in hurricane season, and our final design meshed the best things from both. We strive off of resilience, determination, and island pride. We look forward to what the judges have to say to improve, and we're thankful for joining the competition this year.
we're bringing it back with the Brack Racers and John Gray Blazers for rounds 3 and 4 of racing. So Brack Racers in lane 1 with a 1.378, and John Gray Blazers with a 2.328 in lane 2.
I know the Cayman Island is just starting off, but I am like so excited to see how far they go and how much they grow their program.
Oh yeah, I was just about to say, I mean, as the track staff reset here, I mean, to see 3 teams that have cars in the first year and all the other teams that have submitted project elements, I mean, this is fantastic start for their country. And I can't wait to see where they are in a few years, and can't wait to see them at the World Finals someday too.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so for round 2, they've got a 1.34 for Brack Racers and a 2.445 for John Gray Blazers. Again, good time starting them off for their first competition here, and let's see how CIS does. All right, race 1, or race 3, I should say, a 1.463 for CIS in lane 2. And Ivana, you'll see that difference there too at the end of the track. CIS is using the STEM Racing Halo deceleration system, whereas Brack and John Gray earlier were using the car deceleration system. A little bit different way of stopping the car. It uses a bungee to catch the halo and slowly slow the car down instead of brushes that touch the side of the car to slow it down. And the last race for today for CIS, we've got a 1.504. All great times. And as a reminder, the teams aren't competing against each other in the lanes they're in. They're ultimately competing against the clock. As you can see in the leaderboard here today, these are the top times. The teams ultimately, their portfolios, verbal presentation, and pit displays all will factor in to determine today's overall winners, as well as the special award winners that I'm sure they're excited to find out who they are. We'll throw it back to Jane in the Cayman Islands for the award ceremony.